All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and talk about Project 2025. Now, this information that I'm going to give to you is not my opinion. I am not being biased. All I'm going to do is just break down the different sections of Project 2025. Now, I do have some notes here. So if you see me looking over, that's just all I'm doing is looking at my notes. All right, so section one is called Taking the Reins of Government. And keep in mind, all of this information is from project2025.org. project2025.org. Okay. So if any of you want this information, you too can go ahead and obtain it. All right. So let's go ahead and break it down. Again, section one is taking the reins of government. So what this section does is it discusses the challenges and goals for the next U.S. presidential administration. It focuses on taking over government operations and staying true to conservative ideas. So keep in mind, Project 2025, conservative ideas. Okay. So number one is about restoring traditional values. So it talks about how America's founding values are currently contested. It contrasts woke views, which see America as needing fundamental change, with conservative beliefs and value America's history, constitution, and ideas. Number two, presidential power and control over the government. So this part talks about how the next president should actively direct government agencies to follow the president's vision. Right now, the federal workforce sometimes opposes the president's agenda, especially in departments where career government and employees hold significant influence. Again, this is not me going off my own words. This is what's in section one. So this is just talking about what's there, just in layman terms, okay? Number three, bureaucracy challenges. So federal workers have protection and complex rules that make it hard to manage or replace them, sometimes even prioritizing applicants with problematic histories. The document suggests that The document suggests that hiring and evaluations should focus on benefiting taxpayers. Number four, empowering political appointees. For effective governance, the president needs to appoint and support enough like minded individuals to carry out the administration's goals, ensuring political appointees, not just career employees, shape policies. Number five, upholding the Constitution. The document emphasizes that a conservative administration should strictly follow the Constitution, avoiding executive overreach, such as creating laws without legislative approval. Six, separation of power. This document warns that power concentration in one branch threatens freedom and self governance. The administration should restore balance where executive, legislative, and judicial powers are distinct. Judicial powers are distinct, not laws, sorry. And where states retain power apart from the federal government. Seven, reducing centralized government control. The last thing that Section 1 argues is that dismantling centralized control is essential to preserving freedom. Political appointees should make key decisions, not unelected experts insulated from public influence. So, in short, the document calls for a conservative administration to strengthen traditional values, ensure the president's influence over federal operations, limit bureaucratic power, uphold constitutional separation, and keep decision making closer to elected leaders than career bureaucrats. All right, so that's section one. Section two coming up next.